guten Tag. So we are going to give you an update on the 914 we're building. Here we are. So I think the last one you saw, we were putting the epoxy coat on it. We've done something slightly different this time. So what we've done is we've prepped all the inside and we've painted all the inside. We haven't painted the outer yet or got it to a really nice finish, purely because what we find is when the vehicles sit around so long with us, they end up getting scratched or marked or anything else. So this time what we're going to do is we painted the inside, we're going to pretty much do a full fit up of the interior, the underside, and then we're going to then finish the top coat after that. So it just basically, it sort of eliminates having any issues with scratches or marks or dents or anything else, and doing it again. So, update of where we are, front to back. We've got, so wiring loom is in. We're changing what needs to be changed. When they painted it previously, I think they just painted the entire car in orange because we had literally orange everything. Orange wiring loom, orange suspension, orange knobs, lots of orange. But so yeah, so the loom's in, changing where we change it, cleaning up where we need clean up, and retaping. Steering is in, suspension's in, springs are in, bottles in. Wiring loom is in to the cockpit, fuse board is in, Rich has installed all the sound deadening. Over the sound deadening we will go with a underlay, and then the carpet will go on top of that, and then obviously the seats. We've got the seats, the door cards and everything out. They are getting ready to go to the upholsterers. Rich has been working with the chick over there to do something really, really nice. So we'll keep you up to date what we do with that. All the knobs and switches, handbrakes in, gear change, brake lines. Down the back here, again, similar to the front, we've got suspension in, buttons, catches, wiring loom, cables, and the rest of the brake lines and some battery stuff. So yeah, very, very good. That's the top side. Shall we see the bottom side?
Let's go.
So on the underside again, completely raptored, sealed, same as the inside. So this is the finished paintwork on the bottom, which is really nice. We use it because it's super tough. It's really good for not being penetrated, so it will last a very long time. So that's very good. So on the bottom side, we've got suspension in, steering rack's in, brakes are in, all clean, fresh, either stripped and cleaned or powder coated. There's a few nuts and bolts we need to change as yet, but we're waiting to get those. Brake lines, that's pretty much it for the front end. There's not a massive amount to these, which is nice. So we just want the underside to look as nice as the top side. So whether you're under it taking a picture or on top of it taking a picture, I mean, you've seen the other ones we finished. So that's that. And then again, the back end, just really from the front end again, suspension's in, brakes are in, some wiring, fuel pumps, handbrake lines, power cable. So yeah, give an update on the engine, being fully rebuilt. We've changed the pistons to increase the compression ratio, and we've changed the cams. We're going to reject the carbs and new bearings, new seals, new everything. So yeah, it should be really nice to drive, a bit more power. We're going to do a short shift as well, really nice gear change. And then obviously everything's super clean, bright, fresh, brand new. So that's currently where we're at on the build. It's going to move pretty quickly now, so engine will be back with us in the next couple of weeks. Gearbox is done, seats are going over to the upholsterers, should be back by January. So yeah, it's going to move forward really nicely now. So we're looking to really get it into paint by February, and then that gives us enough time to test before it goes back to the customer. We're actually going to Tenerife, so it'll be really, really nice. That's as much as I can tell you at the minute. There's Rich is over there. I'm sure if Pete shoves the camera in his face, you might get some more. You might get nothing. So, but anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. No, it's coming through. You're throwing me off now, Pete. bang bit, the bang,
Stroke?
no, the compression. We got there, and it's only Tuesday. Oh, blimey.